Hello friends, glad to see you again on the channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use dual apps or clone apps on your Poco M8 Pro. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any future guides. Now let's get started and set up the feature.